So here I am with no brow product. Now I'm just going to take the Beauty Bakery brow gel, brush my hairs down, and start filling out the end tail of my brows. I'm going to brush my hairs back up so I can start filling out the bottom end tail of my brows. This is what I do when I usually fill my brows in. And now using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, I'm going to fill in the front of my brows. I just feel like it gives me a little bit more of a natural looking brow, and I'm doing this for this video just because I want a guideline of where to fill my brows in with the pencil I'm about to talk about. So this is the Salon Perfect Tri-Trip Microblading pen. This retails for $498.99. I got it from Walmart. It comes in two shades, universal taupe and dark brown, but this ain't dark brown, all right? That's black. And here I'm just going to show you in real time what it was like for me filling my brows in. They say to use a very light hand, and honestly use a very light hand because that's the only way you're going to get the hair-like strokes, and to fill your brows in the natural way that your brow hairs grow. So in the front of my brows, I'm flicking my hand straight up, and once I start getting closer to the tail of my brow, I'm going to start leaning the pencil just because that's how my hairs grow. I could make a, flick of the Alrighty then, so that is it for my makeup look. Wasn't going to do much because your girl is sweating bullets right now. But my thoughts on this Microblading Brow Pen by Salon Perfect. I like it. I think this is probably the fastest I've done my brows in a while. I use a total of 4 products on my brows when I'm filling them in normally, and today I only used 3. So, we're getting somewhere. However, I feel like I will probably continue to use the method that I've been using and just use this for the front of my brows because I really feel like that's really the most place that you notice it. I mean, if I turn this way, I feel like you can kind of see hair-like strokes going that way, but I don't feel like it makes that much of a difference that I'm going to completely change up the routine that I have now. I do feel like the baking helped make it just a little less harsh because I feel like before it was full on black. However, if you don't have like any brow hair whatsoever, then this might be something that you want to use to fill in your entire brow. I do feel like only using it in the areas that I don't have hair helped. Because I have seen videos before and people just use it on the entire brow, and I feel like that kind of defeats the purpose just because with any brow product, you really only want to use it where you don't have hair because you're trying to create a look of one eyebrow. And when you use it on, like a thick area right here and then the area right next to it doesn't have hair, then yeah, you're going to have hair here, but it still won't match that thick area that's right next to it. And I hope that makes sense. So I feel like this will be something that you want to use to fill in your entire brow if you don't really have that much brow hair. And also if you want a more natural hair stroke like brow. For my people who like the look, like, nah, I want those Instagram brows, I want them to look extremely filled in, I think you would like this if you just use it for this area here in the front of your brows. I will definitely use it again when I do use use the products that I usually use to fill in my brows, and we'll see what happens there. But I mean, it's $4.99, so I ain't mad at it. So that is it for this video. These lashes are falling off my face as we sit here, or as I sit here. I hope seeing me use this product and hearing some of my thoughts about it has helped in your decision. If you were thinking of trying this out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye!